Did you know that the koala's favorite snack, the humble eucalyptus leaf, is more than just a tasty treat for these adorable animals? In fact, this remarkable leaf could help you breathe easier, soothe everyday aches, and even freshen your breath, all from the comfort of your own home. Eucalyptus is a plant that's often overlooked, but it's packed with hidden benefits that might surprise you. For countless generations, Aboriginal Australians have relied on the eucalyptus tree for its powerful healing properties. They discovered its secrets long before modern science caught up, using the leaves and oils to treat wounds, fight off infections, and ease congestion. Their deep connection to the land helped them unlock the natural medicine cabinet growing all around them. Eucalyptus isn't just a tree, it's a true wellness powerhouse. Its leaves and oils are now found in everything from soothing balms and chest rubs to refreshing teas and spa treatments. The next time you walk past a eucalyptus tree, remember, you're looking at one of nature's most versatile healers. The distinct, invigorating scent of eucalyptus comes from a compound called eucalyptol. This natural chemical is the secret behind many of the plant's health benefits, and it's what gives eucalyptus its unmistakable aroma that instantly clears your senses. Eucalyptol works wonders for your body. It helps clear congested airways, making it easier to breathe when you're feeling stuffy. It also fights germs, reduces inflammation, and can even help relieve pain. Scientists continue to study its effects, but traditional wisdom has long recognized its healing touch. Imagine having a natural remedy right at your fingertips, one that can help with everything from stubborn colds and stuffy noses to sore muscles after a long day. Eucalyptus can be used in baths, diffusers, or even as a gentle massage oil, bringing the spa experience into your own home. There's no need for complicated chemicals or synthetic ingredients, just a simple, pure gift from nature itself. Eucalyptus is proof that sometimes the best solutions are the ones that have been growing around us all along. Today, we'll break down the fascinating science behind eucalyptus and show you practical, easy ways to use it in your daily routine. Whether you're looking to boost your wellness, create a calming atmosphere, or simply enjoy a refreshing cup of eucalyptus tea, there's something here for everyone. Get ready to discover why this incredible plant has stood the test of time. From ancient healing rituals to modern scientific breakthroughs, eucalyptus has earned its reputation as a symbol of resilience and natural health. From ancient traditions passed down through generations to innovative modern uses, eucalyptus continues to inspire and heal. It's a living link between the wisdom of the past and the promise of a healthier future. So let's dive in together and unlock the full potential of eucalyptus for a healthier, more vibrant you. Whether you're new to natural remedies or a seasoned wellness enthusiast, there's always more to learn and explore. Are you ready to see what eucalyptus can do? Let's embark on this journey and discover the surprising secret hiding right in your backyard. Let's embark on a journey to the vast and sunburnt land of Australia, a continent renowned for its unique wildlife, dramatic landscapes, and, perhaps most notably, its remarkable eucalyptus trees. Australia is home to over 700 distinct species of eucalyptus, each adapted to thrive in different regions, from lush rainforests to arid outback plains. These trees are as diverse as the country itself, forming the backbone of many Australian ecosystems. Eucalyptus trees are true survivors, flourishing in some of the harshest climates on Earth. Their ability to withstand drought, fire, and poor soils has made them essential to the land and to the people who have lived here for millennia. For generations, Aboriginal Australians have relied on eucalyptus for more than just shade or timber. By crushing the leaves, they released potent oils used to treat fevers, coughs, and colds, an ancient remedy passed down through countless generations. The secret behind these healing properties lies in eucalyptol, a powerful compound found in the leaves. Eucalyptol is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and decongestant abilities, making it a natural ally in the fight against illness. That unmistakable, invigorating scent, sharp, fresh, and slightly camphor-like, is the signature of eucalyptol at work. Just a whiff can clear the senses and refresh the mind. Today, scientists have confirmed what traditional healers have always known. Eucalyptus is a marvel of nature's chemistry. Its oils are now used in medicines, cleaning products, and even in aromatherapy around the world. The tree's tough, leathery leaves are not just for show. They protect the plant from the harsh Australian sun and deter hungry insects. In much the same way, eucalyptus oil can help shield us from germs and pests, making it a natural protector. Over time, eucalyptus has spread far beyond Australia's borders. Today, you'll find these iconic trees in gardens, parks, and forests across the globe, valued for their healing properties, fast growth, and striking beauty. The journey of eucalyptus from the heart of Australia to every corner of the world is a testament to its resilience and power. It has become a symbol of adaptability and strength, cherished by cultures everywhere. As we explore the many benefits of eucalyptus, it's important to remember its deep roots in ancient wisdom and Aboriginal culture. Each leaf carries stories of healing, survival, and respect for nature. Every fragrant leaf is a testament to resilience and the enduring connection between people and the land. The dew that gathers on its surface each morning is a reminder of renewal and hope. Today, eucalyptus is more than just a tree. It's a global symbol of wellness, used in spas, homes, and health centers to promote relaxation, clarity, and healing. From ancient remedies to modern wellness routines, eucalyptus continues to enrich our lives. Let's discover how this extraordinary gift from Australia can help you feel your best every single day. Are you struggling with a stuffy nose, persistent cough, or that heavy feeling in your chest? These symptoms can make even the simplest tasks feel exhausting, and finding relief can sometimes seem impossible. But nature has a powerful solution: eucalyptus. This remarkable plant has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for respiratory discomfort, and its benefits are now backed by modern science. The secret lies in eucalyptol, the main compound in eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptol acts as a potent decongestant, helping to thin out stubborn mucus and clear blocked nasal passages. This makes it much easier to breathe, especially when you're feeling congested or under the weather. Eucalyptus doesn't just clear your nose, it also helps relax and expand your airways. This can be especially helpful for people dealing with asthma, bronchitis, or seasonal allergies, offering a gentle, natural way to find relief and breathe more freely. While eucalyptus is not a substitute for prescribed medical treatments, it can be a valuable addition to your wellness routine. Its soothing properties help calm irritated airways, making each breath feel smoother and more comfortable. Eucalyptus is also packed with antimicrobial properties. It helps fight off bacteria and viruses, giving your immune system extra support when you need it most. This makes it a great ally during cold and flu season. Inhaling eucalyptus steam is a time-tested remedy. The warm, aromatic vapor not only soothes your airways, but also creates an environment that's tough for germs to survive in, helping you recover faster. To try this at home, simply add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to a bowl of hot water. Cover your head with a towel, lean over the bowl, and breathe in the steam deeply for several minutes. You'll feel the congestion start to melt away. For ongoing support, use a diffuser to fill your room with the refreshing scent of eucalyptus, especially at night. The calming aroma can help you relax, sleep better, and wake up feeling more refreshed. Eucalyptus offers a simple, natural way to support your respiratory health. Whether you use it in steam, a diffuser, or simply enjoy its fresh scent, it's an easy addition to your daily routine. Imagine each breath feeling as clean and invigorating as a walk through a sunlit eucalyptus grove. That's the power of this incredible plant. Harness the natural power of eucalyptus for easier breathing, faster recovery from colds, and a stronger, healthier respiratory system. Nature's cleanup crew is just a leaf away, ready to help clear your airways and refresh your body. Give your respiratory system the support it deserves. Breathe easier, feel better, and let eucalyptus be your natural partner in wellness. Eucalyptus isn't just for breathing, it's a natural pain reliever too. Applied to the skin, eucalyptus oil cools, then warms, distracting your brain from pain. Its anti-inflammatory properties target the root of aches, not just the symptoms. That's why you'll find eucalyptus in many muscle rubs and pain creams. Make your own by diluting a few drops in a carrier oil and massaging it into sore areas. It's a natural way to soothe muscles, joints, and even tension headaches. Dab diluted oil on your temples and neck for headache relief. Just avoid your eyes. The scent clears your head and eases stress too. Eucalyptus offers holistic relief for body and mind. Skip the chemicals. Try nature's remedy for everyday aches. Your body will thank you. Eucalyptus can help strengthen your body's defenses. Its compounds stimulate immune cells, making them more effective at fighting germs. Diffusing eucalyptus oil may energize your immune system, especially during cold and flu season. Its antimicrobial properties add another layer of protection by reducing germs in your environment. Use eucalyptus oil in natural cleaners or diffusers to keep your home healthy. Add a few drops to your bath for an immune-boosting soak. Herbal teas with dried eucalyptus leaves can also support your wellness. Make eucalyptus a regular part of your routine for year-round resilience. It's a simple way to give your immune system a natural boost. Eucalyptus is a secret weapon for a healthier mouth. Its antibacterial power fights the bad bacteria that cause plaque, cavities, and gum disease. Eucalyptol is found in many mouthwashes and toothpastes for a reason. It kills germs and freshens breath. Reducing plaque means fewer cavities and less gum inflammation. Eucalyptus doesn't just mask bad breath, it tackles the source. Chewing gums with eucalyptus offer a quick, healthy way to fight germs on the go. Look for dental products with eucalyptus oil or make a simple mouthwash at home, just a drop or two in warm water. Don't swallow. This easy step keeps your gums healthy and your smile bright. Eucalyptus is a natural upgrade for your oral care routine. Harness its power for a fresher, cleaner mouth. Smile with confidence naturally. Eucalyptus is a game changer for your skin. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties fight acne and calm redness. Eucalyptus helps regulate oil production, leaving your skin balanced and refreshed. It's a natural astringent. Look for it in cleansers and toners. For minor cuts or bites, diluted eucalyptus oil cleanses and soothes, speeding up healing. Add a drop to your moisturizer or use in a facial steam for deep cleansing. Eucalyptus soaps and body washes offer an invigorating, purifying shower. Simple, natural, and effective. Let eucalyptus reveal your healthiest skin. Glow with the power of nature. Ready to bring eucalyptus into your daily life? Hang a fresh bundle in your shower for a spa-like aromatic experience. Make a natural cleaning spray with water, vinegar, and eucalyptus oil for germ-free surfaces. Repel pests by placing eucalyptus-soaked cotton balls in closets or using diluted oil as a bug repellent. Use a diffuser to fill your home with its refreshing scent, purifying air and boosting focus. Eucalyptus is versatile, clean, freshen, and protect your space naturally. No harsh chemicals, just pure plant power. Make eucalyptus part of your routine for a healthier home. Enjoy its benefits every day, effortlessly. Stress is everywhere, but eucalyptus can help you find calm. Its invigorating scent clears mental clutter and promotes focus. Inhaling eucalyptus oil may lower anxiety and blood pressure. It's a holistic remedy for both body and mind. Create a relaxation ritual. Breathe in eucalyptus oil from a tissue, or add it to a warm bath. Blend with lavender or chamomile for extra tranquility. Use in a diffuser or massage oil for ongoing stress relief. Eucalyptus lifts your spirits and soothes your nerves. Make it your go-to for moments of overwhelm. Simple, natural, and effective, stress relief is just a breath away. Let eucalyptus help you find your calm. Eucalyptus is powerful. Use it wisely. Never ingest eucalyptus oil. It's toxic if swallowed. Always dilute before applying to skin to avoid irritation. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil and do a patch test first. Avoid use on young children and consult your doctor if you're pregnant, nursing, or have health conditions. Choose high-quality, pure oils from trusted brands. For teas, use only products meant for consumption. Your health comes first. Consult a professional before starting any new remedy. Eucalyptus is safe and effective when used correctly. Respect its potency and enjoy its benefits with confidence. Wellness starts with smart choices. From Australia's forests to your home, eucalyptus is a gift of nature. It helps you breathe easier, soothe pain, boost immunity, and brighten your smile. Simple, natural solutions can have a big impact on your well-being. Whether in your shower, diffuser, or medicine cabinet, eucalyptus empowers you to take charge of your health. Start small, listen to your body, and seek guidance when needed. Let eucalyptus inspire you to explore nature's remedies. Every leaf tells a story of healing and resilience. Embrace its power for a fresher, healthier life. Here's to your health, naturally.